Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Or without me wasting your time, let's get to the story of today. Honestly speaking, Enhle, she's the best stepdaughter you need. Maybe it was God's plan to say, Makumalo, this is what you deserve after what you went through, guys. Raising Mpilo, it was simple for Makumalo, guys. She's very respectful. She understands Makumalo. She loves Makumalo. So today, as you can see, after work, she went to support Makumalo, guys. And I've also noticed something, guys. If you are against Makumalo, she's also against you, guys. So we know that Umakele and Makumalo, they don't have a great relationship, guys. I think last week they went to attend Ayanda Memulo, guys. Everyone was invited. Mangwabe, I saw Abongwe, Owami, guys. When you go to Enhle's Instagram account, she only posted Mawande, guys. Even Mangwabe tag Umakumalo and Enhle get picture ya Mawande. When it comes to Owami, Makele's daughter, she didn't post her, guys. But if you go to Musamsaleka's Instagram, she's posted everyone Abongwe, guys. You can see the whole family was there. But when you go to Makumalo, Enhle and Mawande, you will think the only people that attended the event, it was Makumalo, Mawande and Mangwabe, guys. So you can see Uguti, they really don't have a great relationship, no Makele, guys. Even though obviously Makele and Makumalo, they are equal when it comes to Enhle. Both of them, they are their stepmother, but she will obviously choose Makumalo because she knows Makumalo, she understands him. I don't wonder why even when Musamsaleka tried to turn Enhle against Makumalo, that's her biological daughter, but she will decide to say, you know what, I stand with Makumalo because and sometimes she doesn't want to involve herself, unlike Sneh. When it comes to Sneh, guys, uzote abahambe bayago stress. You can tell ukuthi she's fighting the battle Zaka Makele. I mean, who's Neno Enhle? They are all the same. I'm not gonna judge anyone saying who's better than this because obviously Usne, she listened to Makele. When Makele says Umakumalo this, Umangwabe this, Umayen, obviously she will choose Makele's side because Makele has been good to stay. Same applies to Enhle. Obviously she will also choose Umangwabe and Makumalo, guys. When it comes to Mayeni, okay, sana Mayeni, I don't understand. It seems like she doesn't have any relationship in Ngani Zakamseleko, guys. I've never seen Umayeni and Abongwe. I've also seen Umayeni and Snake, guys, because Umayeni, she doesn't have a problem, no Snake, guys. So there's a lot of things that is going on. Lapana Kumseleko, guys, the family is broken. Seleko is trying by all means to put everything together, but you can see with these people, they don't get along. They just follow each other on social media. Usbindi and Makumalo, they do have a great relationship. I remember they used to travel together. Right now it is all cold. Maybe it's because Mubele has now grown up. He's busy doing whatever he's doing, so they don't get time to be together, guys. But when it comes to kids, Makumala loves the kids. There's another video. It was trending a few weeks ago, and she was holding a baby, and people will say it is alleged in Ghana, guys. So I don't know what is happening when it comes to Tingani Zaka Makele and Makumalo, guys. Maybe she doesn't want to involve herself because she knows one thing about Makele, guys, is she's holding the Bible. But when it comes to what she's gonna tell you, trust me, you're gonna forget she's a Christian. So yeah, guys, at the end of the day, Musamsaleka needs to blame himself. All of this is her fault, guys. He's the one who's going around gossip. I love Mangwabe. One thing I love about Mangwabe, she's very honest, guys. Mangwabe see Ugu, this man, he's the one who destroyed the family by going around gossiping, no Makumalo gossiping, no Makele gossiping, no Mayeni, no Mangwabe, no Makwela's attitude. You can tell there's something that she was told. There's no way you can behave that. 2000, guys, it's easy to see you can tell this person has been talking about me, the other person, the way the other person react whenever they see you, guys. There's something Makwela, she was told about Makumalo, guys. The disrespect is too much. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about it? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Face Day. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.